Now in this part, we're going to simplify expression when we have a fraction. In this case, we have a fraction right in front of the parenthesis. So, first I'm checking inside the parenthesis. I can't do anything because we have an a and an m. So 12a minus 6m, they're different terms, cannot combine them, so leave it like that. Check with anything inside in front of the parenthesis, which there is, and minus 2/3 minus 2/3. So I'm going to be distributing negative 2/3 to everything inside. So the 5m stays the same. Positive 12a, so I'm going to write plus 12a. But remember, I am distributing, so that means I'm going to multiply by negative 2/3. Bring down the minus 6m. And again, I was distributing by negative 2/3, so I'm going to multiply by negative 2/3. Alright, now from there, it's a whole number multiplying to a fraction. So if I want to do this quickly, all I'm going to do is, again, this is for when a whole number is multiplying to a fraction. I'm going to multiply 12a to the numerator. And I'm going to multiply negative 6m to the numerator, the top number. So I'm going to rewrite it as 5m plus 12a times, I'm going to use the negative and carry it to the numerator, so negative 2 over 3. And then minus 6m, and I'm going to multiply by negative 2, and it's going to be over 3. So we still have fraction. Next, I'm going to simplify the fraction in the numerator because it's multiplying. So it's going to be 5m. Now, it's positive 12a times negative 2. That's going to become negative 24a, but I still have the denominator. Here, it's negative 6m, or minus 6m, times negative 2. Negative times negative, that's going to become positive 12m. And I still have the denominator. Alright, so we have 5m minus 24a over 3 plus 12m over 3. I can still simplify the fraction because 24 can be divided by 3, 12 can be divided by 3. So, 5m, now negative 24a divided by 3, that will become negative 8a, and then positive 12m divided by 3, that would become plus 4m. Now I'm going to simplify by combining like terms. We have multiple m's, so 5m plus 4m, that becomes 9m minus 8a. Now, there's nothing I can do between 9m and 8a because we have different variables, meaning different terms. But to finalize our answer, we usually put it in ABC order. So I'm going to put negative 8a, remember it has a minus right here, so it's negative 8a, and then positive 9m, so that's plus 9m. So I put our answer in order, ABC order, and this is our final answer. Negative 8a plus 9m. In the second example where we have a fraction, we have 2x minus 4/5 of the sum of negative 10 plus 15x. Checking inside the parentheses, there's nothing we can do because we have different terms, so we cannot combine them. Next, we have that it's negative because of a minus in front of the fraction, so negative 4/5 in front of the parentheses. So we're going to distribute to everything inside the parentheses. So we're going to have 2x, I'm going to have minus 10, and it's going to be multiplied by negative 4/5. And then plus 15x. And again, since it's being distributed, it's going to multiply by negative 4/5. Alright, just like the same process as before, 2x. So minus 10 multiplied by, I'm going to have the negative to the numerator, so negative 4 over 5. And then plus 15x multiplied by negative 4 over 5. Alright, I'm going to simplify the numerators because they're multiplying. Nothing's happening here, so it's just 2x. So minus 10, meaning negative 10 times negative 4, that's going to be plus 40 over 5. And then positive 15x minus times negative 4, that becomes negative 60x over 5. Alright, I can still simplify the fraction because 40 can be divided by 5 and negative 60x can be divided by 5. So what I'm going to have is 2x. 40 divided by 5, that's going to be a positive 8. Negative 60x divided by 5, that's become negative 12x. Next, I'm going to combine like terms. We have multiple x's. So 2x minus 12x, that's going to become negative 10x and plus 8. Now if you have a question on how I got negative 10x, well, I did the number line in my head. So what I did was, here's my number line. Now usually I start sometimes with the bigger number, which is 12, so I'm going to put a negative 12 in the middle. Since it's a positive 2, that means I'm going to go to the right 2 times, 1, 2. So I'm going to count from negative 12 to the right, negative 11, negative 10. So that's why I have a negative 10x. It is not negative 14x, it is not 10x, it is simply negative 10x. And that is our final answer. So that's how you can simplify when combining like terms and it has different sign. I use the number line, and this way you could use the number line and show your work or double check your work, say on a quiz or a test.